A third common organizational structure is the matrix structure. Many complex organizations, including universities and colleges, use this type of structure. It combines two forms of departmentalization: functional and product. Functional departmentalization allows specialists to pool their resources. Product departmentalization facilitates coordination among those specialists. The matrix structure is unique because it breaks the unity of command principle we learned about earlier in this lecture. Employees have multiple bosses. They have a functional boss and a product boss. This figure is an example of a matrix structure used by a College of Business Administration. The left column lists functional departments, accounting, finance, while the top row lists the products or services provided by the university: undergraduate degrees, master's degrees, PhDs, research. A single employee may work within the research group in the management department. They would then report to the director of the management department and to the director of the research program. The advantage of the matrix structure is that it can help complex organizations coordinate tasks across multiple departments. It also encourages knowledge sharing and increased efficiencies. When people from different functions or product units work together, they inevitably share information and essential resources. One of the major weaknesses, though, of the matrix structure is that it can create a lot of confusion. It can lead to power struggles, and it can create role conflict and role ambiguity. These outcomes are all related to the fact that employees have multiple bosses in this structure, something that we tend to avoid. When people have more than one boss, they may get two different sets of instructions, or their bosses may have two different sets of goals. We learned earlier that over time, things like role conflict and role ambiguity can lead to occupational stress, which can then lead to a long list of psychological, behavioral, and physiological outcomes that we want to avoid.